Welcome to Kian Technology. Today I am going to show our manufacturing quality control system, also called the MQC system. This software helps factory manage production quality defects, inspection and supplier from one platform. Let's start with the admin dashboard. Here you can get complete overview of factory operations. You can check total production batches, quality pass rates, active defects and customer complaints in one place. The dashboard also show production performance, defect categories and rejected batches. Now let's move the quality manager dashboard. The section focus on quality checks and inspections. Manager can monitor inspection record, scan barcode, check pass or fail result and quickly add new defect with their category and priority level. Next is the production manager dashboard. This helps manage daily production activities smoothly. You can track active batches, create new production batches and monitor rejection reports in real time, reduce error and the production flow. Now let's look at the inspector dashboard. Inspector can check daily production capacity, view live inspection records and monitor defects, count for issues like size errors and functional problems. Next is the supplier manager dashboard. This section helps you manage supplier performance easily. You can track delivery timing, product quality, pricing and maintain a complete supplier directly while adding new vendor anytime. Finally, the complaint handler dashboard helps you support the team manage customer complaint efficiently. You can track complaint trends, manage critical issues and make sure customer problems are solved quickly. This software makes manufacturing quality management simple, smart and fully organized. Contact the Kian Technology. Today let's build something great.